Hey YouTube, I got Chuck here today. We went out fishing for some whatever we could catch. We got a redfish and a trout, and seen some huge mullet jumping all over the place. All in all, it was a good day, and we had some fun, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks, Chuck, it was great.
Yep, had pleasure.
I'm sure we're gonna spook a few. Well, here's a big red right here. Big old red, dude. Oh, they're all around me now, dude. One just went underneath me. This is scary. I'm getting chased by dolphins. I'm being chased by dolphins. They're still coming at me. I bet they're playing that music in their head. Da 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 da. Speckled trout. Look, I hooked them outside the gill. It's a fish though. Thank you. It's like it's like bait right there. It's like 6 inches. Oh, there we go. I got one. Yeah. It's a nice one. Woo, nice one, dude. I think it's the same one I've seen. Woo! Yeah. That jerk bait, remember I showed you that jerk bait that changes colors? I'm throwing that. That's a keeper, dude. Are you hungry? Look at that, nice. Very nice, dude. One single spot. Very nice. Thanks for making my day, redfish. See you later, buddy. All right, guys, I caught that nice redfish on that Sharky 2 and that Ranger travel rod, the telescoping rod. It did really well. I'm very impressed. And I got it on a lure that I found at Walmart on sale. I can't remember who makes it, but it changes colors. It's just like a little jerk bait. Okay, I'll show it to you in just a second. Let me get turned around. But this little jerk bait, see, it like changes colors. And hit it. I was just hitting it through these little grass spots in this little flat We're like following this boat over here. We're about ready to give it up, and boom. Freaking sweet.